to my channel, everyone. Today's video, I'm just going to show you guys the process I undergo when washing my hair. After going for my run, I am going to take off this ponytail and begin the process of washing my hair. The things that I'm going to be using include my spray, my homemade shampoo, and of course my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to start by spraying my entire hair with this spray. This spray contains amla, hibiscus, and other really good things for the natural hair. Once I am done, I am going to massage it into my scalp, especially in the areas that that I need my hair to grow really long. My edges, the back of my hair, everywhere, and after which I am going to put on the shower cap and let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes before proceeding to wash it out. But this part is optional. After rinsing out my spray, I am going to go ahead with my homemade shampoo. You guys feel free to use any shampoo of your choice, be it the one from the store or the one that was homemade. You want to make sure you wash every part of your scalp. I will now go in with my leave-in conditioner. This part is optional to you guys. If you guys want to use the conditioner where you have to wear the shower cap for a few minutes then rinse it off, you could go ahead and do that. But I prefer using the leave-in conditioner because it moisturizes my hair and keeps it slightly soft. After this part, you can now go in with your hair grease and then seal it in with oil. This brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.